Taffybwoi.
Daddy. Me out here, so Junior. Daddy. Hmm? Me drop a church today, no daddy. Me no ball, no daddy. Because I am a strong and confident boy. And why is that? You grow me so daddy. I like the sound of that. Me no stay like Nutsy new friend, daddy. Nutsy have a new friend? Nutsy said that he went over to the foreign land. A twang him a twang. Dream a talk about foreign. For to spend his holiday. Hear that? And Miss Loda proud of this one, man. He say almost every day he went outside, go outside to play and he makes no ball. Hey. Tell you why Sino have a ball so. Then he really don't know what Sino not thinking, you know. He don't know, yeah, I don't think he know. In daddy, you know have nothing to say. Me not know, Junior. Maybe Sino that are not the new friend, Sino. Maybe emotional, you know, softly like I said. So when Nutsy go outside to play, not in friend a ball because he never did if he catch him when he fall. Daddy, you are a genius. Daddy, how did you know that is drop Nutsy next no job? Junior, yes, daddy. Tell him man, make him stay stuck same way, so man. Sino is
Taffybwoi.